Someone asked me, what are the common mistakes that you can do while running user tests? Interesting question. So the first mistake that you can do, don't be surprised, is recruiting the wrong user. You have recruited somebody and they have come on board, you're running a test with them and realize, oh, this person would never buy my product or use my product. That's the first mistake you can make. Make sure you profile them well before you schedule an interview with them. अरे यार ये आंटी किसका बज रहा है ये फोन? आंटी फोन बंद कर दो please. The second mistake you can make is get them to say whatever you want. It's your product. You have spent a lot of time trying to design it, and you're trying to ask them leading questions for them to say, I really love this product. Don't do that. Don't ask leading questions, ask open questions. And the third mistake that you can make, very often I've seen, is get into an interview mode. You're not interrogating them. It's not a user research where you need to ask them about why they should buy your product versus a competition. It's a user test. Don't forget that they need to be testing the product and you need to observe them. Again, I've seen this so often that you switch from a testing mode to an interview mode. You start asking them questions, why would you do this and not do this and do that and stuff without getting them to play the prototype. That defeats the whole purpose. You're not doing a user research, it's a user test. Get them to play with the prototype and observe how they're using it. So those are the top 3 mistakes that come to my mind. Recruiting the wrong user. Don't ask leading questions, ask open questions. You're not doing a user research, it's a user test. Get them to play with the prototype and observe how they're using it. दीदी थोड़ा सा वॉल्यूम धीरे धीरे करेगा, हम रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं. The first thing you need to think about is where are these specific people hanging out on the internet?